So this is, what year is this? 24?
2025.
25 Road Glide CVO ST with the 121 high output. So what are you doing on this one, Mike?
Actually, it's 24.
24?
Yeah, 2024. We are doing TMAN 135.
Oh.
Customer previously had a stage 2.
Yeah.
Wanted some more.
Nice.
So we got our kit back finally.
That is going to be some sick power. That's why I couldn't wait for this. I previously had a TMAN kit on, which one did I have it on? On Silverback.
Yeah.
After my 128 blew up, and that one ran really good. A lot of power. So what are you putting on?
So TMAN.
So many goodies.
Yeah, so what we do is we pull the motor apart, sent the heads, sent the cylinders. So TMAN reworked their heads, new valve springs, new valves, larger.
Ooh, nice.
Very nicely done.
Very nice.
Ported.
Oh, ported too. Jeez.
Yeah, ported intake.
Nice.
Exhaust looks good.
Wow.
And then we've got the pistons. 135 pistons from TMAN.
Sweet.
Very nice.
You know what, Mike? Can we show the viewers how much more heavy duty this is than a stock one?
And a stock, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know,
Just so you guys know, like when I seen this, it's just so much more beefier than the stock Harley pistons.
so here's your stock 121 piston. Okay. You can see Harley went very thin on the top and very thin around the valve pockets. Okay. If you just compare the top.
Oh yeah, a lot thicker.
Okay. And the other big difference here, oil control ring. So the oil control ring on the Harley, it's actually narrower than any one I've ever seen. I have one actually loose here. This is your stock oil control ring.
Uh-huh.
And this is the TMAN.
Oh yeah.
But this is the normal size for, I've never seen this until the 121.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So they were always like this.
Question, why is this raised and the pockets where the valves are go deeper? Because it goes in more?
It's their it's their
into the
design.
head?
It could be for compression reasons. I didn't really talk to them about their design.
Right.
So the things are going to change too with the install. Well, I'm sorry, not with the install, with the gaskets and everything.
Right.
So Harley's piston on the 121 with the longer stroke actually pokes out of the cylinder. So Harley has an MLS gasket that they're using now, like a multi-layer.
Thicker one to raise the head?
It has a piece of like steel in the middle.
Uh-huh.
And it's a very thick head gasket. So then I didn't measure what the stock deck height was. Like, I don't know if these are poking out of the, well, they're poking out of the cylinder, but I don't know if they poke out of the head gasket.
Gotcha.
Okay, we're gonna set these up, and TMAN wants us to set the deck height.
Yeah.
So that when the piston comes up, that center of the piston here, this part,
Right.
they want it to be like 2 to 3 thousandths below.
Gotcha. Below the deck height of the cylinder head.
Right.
Gotcha,
So
gotcha.
how we achieve that is TMAN sent us, and hopefully these work. So they send you 2 different gaskets, or base gaskets. They use fiber gaskets, and we've got a 31 thousandths and a 20 thousandths.
Gotcha.
So if I put the 31 in and I'm too deep in the hole, then I got to change over
Drop
this
it
one.
down.
So
All right. So what else? What else do you have?
Where is my tool? So what we will do is we've got, and we'll show you later, but we're going to set this up with 2 head bolts. We're going to torque it down to as per what they ask for. They want it torqued down to 25 foot-pounds. And then we're going to set this here, and we're going to bring the piston to the top. And we're going to measure. That's how we're going to measure the deck height.
Nice.
Okay.
You're gonna spin the crank so the piston comes up, right?
Yep.
Gotcha. Cool.
Okay.
So the viewers know you get new pistons with the TMAN kit.
New pistons with the kit.
The heads redone.
They rework your heads.
Yeah.
They do the cylinders for you.
So they bore them out, rehone them.
Yeah.
Is that what they do?
I don't know. Actually, I'd have to. No, it looks like they're bored. They're not. Unless they sleeve them. I'd have to ask them. I'm not sure what they do. They don't really share it with you.
Gotcha.
I mean, I could. If the,
Proprietary.
right. And the kit also comes with a cam. You've got 2 cam options. This is the 4059. I'm not sure to lift. But they have, so this is the cam that they say,
That's what they TMAN recommends?
this is their cam that provides the higher horsepower for this 135
How
cam.
much we talking, buddy? How much?
I can't say.
150?
I think we're going to be above 150.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
I think we're going to be above 150.
Can't wait to see this. So they know your bike.
My bike,
Hang on, just so they know. By the way, this bike is actually for sale. If you guys haven't seen it on a video yet, this is Mike's Road Glide with the 135 Stage 4. How much horse, Mike?
we
What was it,
finally got it dialed in
155?
properly. We're 155 horsepower
That's sick.
and 160 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah, and this thing, let me tell you, just like Mike just said, it does sound close to a King of the Baggers Harley. It's that crazy, powerful. The bike's for sale. Hit Mike up here at Torque Custom Cycles, and Mike will go over some numbers with you. He's, believe it or not, you could probably get it for a really good deal right now if you come in with some cash. All right, so the cam, the cylinders, what about throttle body intake?
Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go over a couple other little parts with you that we do in a lot of our stage 2s. So we put fillings short sump plug
Yep.
for the bottom because Harley has a long sump plug in there that can trap oil. We do the stud and nut kit that goes into the head here.
Right.
So instead of having a bolt that bolts down the rockers, it has a stud that sticks out with an ARP nut, and these get Loctited in. This is all part of our, like we do when we do a stage 2. We are then going, we don't have it yet, it's on order. We're going to go to the Harley ported 68 millimeter throttle body, or sorry, intake, and then we're going to do the Harley 68 millimeter throttle body.
Sweet.
6.8 injectors.
6.8 injectors, okay.
So pistons, rings, cylinders, heads, cam, it's all part of the TMAN kit. Gaskets.
Sweet. Going into pretty much a brand new Road Glide CVO ST, so I cannot wait. This thing is going to absolutely rip. Can't wait to see the power numbers.
So while we're here and the engine's torn down, so what we're going to do, what we always do when we do a big bore kit, those are your stock Harley piston jet oilers.
Yep.
You can see one little pinhole there.
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's like one
little pinhole. That's
tiny hole
so
at the
that
end.
sprays oil on the bottom of the piston, hits the cylinder, and cools it. Okay. We changed to the S&S ones.
Oh wow. Look
Dual
at
spray
that.
head, 2 different angles.
Yeah, you can see the 2 holes. Okay.
Yeah. So
Sweet.
that's what we do. Every time we do a big bore, we put these in.
Nice. Probably in the next couple days here, Mike will have it done. We'll throw it up on a dyno. Oh, are you changing the Thunder Max? You
Yeah,
said?
so we are going to, because we're changing and going with a big throttle body.
Right.
We had the Thunder Max in this bike prior, but anytime that we do a big body on any
Impact.
big bore for the new stuff,
Yeah.
we go to the impact wiring solutions.
Gotcha.
And there it is.
Nice.
Okay, so that ECU will be going in here.
Sweet. All right. Mike, get cracking.
Oh, let's not forget the last thing.
Oh, this is a viewer's bike, Greg. What's up, buddy? And Greg's highly looking forward to this. What is that?
And this is air cleaner. That's the
who made-
TMAN no loss.
From TMAN.
That they call it the no loss air cleaner.
That's
is
a big boy.
That is a big boy. That's going to store a lot of air.
Right. Holy cow.
yeah.
That's thick. Thick.
Yep. So that will be our air cleaner.
Jeez. Nice. Some nice components going on to this thing.
Sir.
My boy's gonna need a chain drive.
Last piece of the puzzle that's not here yet.
Yeah.
We are upgrading to an Evolution clutch, and Evolution now has a brand new clutch setup with a brand new pressure plate called the X2.
Oh, okay.
And from what they're telling me, and we're going to test this out in the dyno, I'm going to be able to hold up to 170 horsepower with blue springs.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So it's going to ship with blue springs, which will be nice on the clutch pull here for the customer.
Right.
And we're going to see, because my bike with the Evolution clutch was slipping.
Yeah.
And I alternated springs. I put 3 red, 3 blue in mine, and then at 155 horse, it's holding now. So this new pressure plate is supposed to hold up to 170. We're going to find out with all blue springs.
Gotcha. Cool, man. Let's do it. So you got the piston oiler jets in, right?
Yep, so the jet oilers are in. We are going to pull the cam cover. We're going to change the cam. Okay, so we have the fueling gear on this one, the one that, you know,
Yeah.
pretty much presses.
One that's on there, good.
One that presses on.
Right.
So this fueling gear presses on. So this is actually from the automotive world. This is used for pulling, you know, stuck battery terminals.
Interesting.
And it actually
works great, right?
fits around
Oh,
the
yeah,
gear.
look at that.
It fits around the gear perfectly.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And this center gets right in that hole, and then watch.
Sweet.
Pulls the gear right off.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice. Good tip.
So I'm gonna attempt to leave the oil pump in.
Huh, look at that.
Sick.
Pretty fucking cool. You're gonna use the same bearing, right?
Yeah. It's only got a couple thousand miles.
So explain
about
this,
50
Mike,
miles
because this
on
is the first time I'm actually seeing
Alright,
this.
so we use a lot of tools from a company called 9 Finger Fabrication.
Okay.
They make bore covers to, you know, protectors.
Right.
These hold the
cool.
lifters.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see that.
So if I pulled this cam without these tools in here, the lifters would fall
Would drop,
into there. So
into
they have
there.
magnets and screws, so you can actually lift them out.
so you don't have to take off the entire top and everything.
Correct.
Yeah, nice.
This
That
is
such
actually-
a cool tool.
It's a 484 Magnum,
484.
so
Okay.
it wasn't a 515.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Now it kind of
Yeah.
Cyclorama.
Yep,
Yeah.
44 Magnum.
Nice. So this is a really cool friggin' tool. Just holding the lifters up, and now he's just gonna put the new cam and plate in, right?
Cam in there.
Oh yeah.
Bigger lift, wider duration.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice cam.
Wow.
Just gotta clean it. Gotta get all the schmutz off of it.
The schmutz. Let's see. Ready to install that puppy, huh?
Yep. Some engine assembly lube on there. Looks good. All right.
All good?
All good.
Nice.
Since we're taking it apart.
You're replacing that anyway, right?
Yeah, might as well just change it.
All right, guys, so that's part one. Mike is waiting on a tool for the wrist pins, I believe, and we should be doing part two here shortly, probably in a day or two. Next thing, he's going to be putting on the cover, the pistons, the cylinders, checking the deck height, and then putting on the heads. So that'll be in part two. So thanks for watching. I can't wait to run this thing on the dyno. This, let's see if this has more horsepower than Mike's Road Glide. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.